Not all of us are blessed with enough room in our houses to put up a Christmas tree. Or maybe you want something a little special for your desk in your office or your window, or you have somebody who's in a nursing home and they don't have a lot of space, but you want to give them a little special holiday something to brighten up their space. So this is a Norfolk Pine, and this is it's considered a tropical plant here. It does like a cooler temperature, so it's really good by a window. And it's also a little adaptable as far as light is concerned. So if you have like an office and you have a bright window, but it's not in the window, this will handle those conditions quite nicely. And it has not quite a Christmas tree shape, but it is sort of a Christmas tree. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little bit of decorating. So what you wanna find are small ornaments, because they're kind of delicate branches and they won't hold anything very heavy. You could do something classic, like these round balls in different colors are quite festive, or something a little more whimsical, like these little figurative ornaments. We've got all kinds of choices here in the Christmas wonderland. But what I'm gonna work with are, these are little glass ornaments, and they come in color coordinated sets, and we're gonna use this little bunch right here. And you can either use an ornament hook, or you can just tie it with a nice little piece of twine or a little piece of ribbon, whatever you have around. And we're just gonna tie this to the branch. You wanna go a little bit farther back, not right on the tips, especially if something's a little weighty. I'm having trouble getting this tied here, but here we go. Got branches in the way. And you can just tie it with a little bow or a little knot, and kind of disperse the ornaments evenly over the tree, like this. And when you get all the ornaments on, then you want to finish with a little bit of foiling and bowing. So this is just floral foil, and we're gonna put a coordinated ribbon on it. We're happy to tie bows for you here at the plant information desk. And pop that on there, and with the ornaments all on it, you have like just a super special little thing that you made for yourself or for a gift. So stop in, we can help you out with this, and happy holidays from the Bruce Company.